Here for the tour?
Come on in, guys. Welcome to my apartment. Alright guys, welcome to my apartment. This is my 1 million subscribers special video that I wanted to do for you guys. You guys have been asking for it for a while. And I also wanted this video to be special because we crossed 1 million subscribers. That's 1 million people in our community. And I think we can make a difference. When I was younger, I had an incident in my family where somebody committed suicide. And I want to use this video to help those in need as well. So I'm going to donate $1,000 to suicide prevention. I already did by the time this video went live, and I would love for you guys to help as well. So if you can, please donate. I'm going to leave the link down below. If you could donate, don't drink coffee today at Starbucks or whatever, and just donate $5. Or if you have more, donate more. I would love for you guys to help. Let's come together as a community and just try to help in any way we can. So I think that's the beauty of having 1 million people here on this channel. It's great that we can get views and get people to, watch how to look good and groom themselves and wear nice clothes, but in reality there are much bigger problems, so I want to make sure that we're helping those people in need as well. But enough of the sad part. If you can help, great, thank you so much. If not, I appreciate you just spreading the word. Let's get into my apartment, okay? So that's what you guys are here for. Alright, let's start at the beginning here. From all the way back where you guys came from, which is this door right here. I bought this online. I think it was allmodern.com. I think I'm going to leave some of the websites where I bought my furniture from. I really like the blue and the gray here. It's like blue is one of my favorite colors, and then gray, you guys know that I wear gray all the time. It's the theme on my Instagram page, so definitely fit my aesthetic. Moving on to this side. Over here, we have door number 1. We have a washing machine and a dryer. So I do all of my laundry here, and I have a hamper on the other side with all my dirty clothes. So this was the number 1 thing that I needed in an apartment in LA, because old apartments in LA don't have washers and dryers. So I was like, I need this. I don't want to go and walk 3 blocks to go wash my clothes because that's so annoying. All right, moving on to bathroom. This apartment has 2 bathrooms. This is bathroom number 1. I like things very basic. You guys recognize this mirror from many of my grooming videos. So I like to keep it pretty simple so that we can move things around and shoot. Hence why we have Justin's camera equipment here. So I don't even put anything in this corner because we always have camera and tripods and lights in here. So I try to keep it pretty clean so we can always shoot and move things around. I do like candles, so I have candles everywhere. And I'm sure it's like echoey right now because it's so plain in here. Soap. This smells amazing. I don't know what brand it is. I would tell you, but there's no branding on it, but it smells really good and smoky. And then I just bought some plants the other day because it needed some kind of life in here. It's a little too basic, but modern, clean, and simple is what you're gonna see throughout the apartment because that's my aesthetic. Moving on over here, this is a storage closet. I'm not gonna show you much of it. I'll show you a little sliver. Justin, come this way over here. I'll show you a little bit. It's mostly shoes, as you can see. It's just boxes of shoes, which you will see that I have way too many shoes and no place for them in this apartment. Alright, this is the main area of my apartment. The area that you guys probably see in my videos, my morning routine videos. If you come over here, we will see, you see exactly where I shoot my videos. I'll stand right here, you should stand right here. Bam. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is exactly where I shoot all of my videos that you guys see. We just shot a video actually a few minutes ago that's going live in a few days after this one. This is my kitchen. By the way, this is a 1-bedroom loft in Los Angeles. Apartments are super expensive here in LA, so I would love to have a 2-bedroom where I could, shoot and have my office, but it's just not realistic at the moment. So this is my kitchen. It's very clean, not much going on. I have a small, skinny fridge. A little bit of alcohol there, not that much. I need to restock. everything that I need here. And then I use this the most out of everything to make my smoothies. This Ninja 900 watts, if you guys are looking for one. This thing is amazing. Basically, you just grab this, make your smoothie. You guys have seen it in many of my videos. Bam, just put it right there. You're good. Smoothie. And then I just got this. Now, I wasn't a coffee drinker until maybe, I don't know, 2 weeks ago. Literally, because I haven't slept, all right? I went from 2 videos to 3 videos a week. I don't know if you guys have noticed, and it's been a little crazy, all right? So I'm gonna have some coffee right now, excuse me, guys. So basically what you do is you just put that right there. You pick the kind of coffee you want. Put it over there. And then it warms up, it takes 30 seconds, you press the button and he makes you coffee, and this has been saving my life lately. Press the button right there and it starts coming out right here. Much needed today. It's been a long day. This place has a lot of storage for 1 bedroom. It's actually not that bad. So this island, for example, this island actually moves. As you can see, it has wheels, which is awesome. If I ever need to shoot anything in this space, I can move it around. I've never actually done that, but it's good to know that I have that option, and that if I ever want to do anything like that. Over here, I keep all of my grooming products actually in the kitchen, because there's too many of them, so I keep boxes and boxes of grooming products here and other products there. So it's literally all over my place. Over here, this is the box corner. I get a lot of deliveries, so I need a little place to just put the boxes while I don't open them. This has been the most special delivery that I've received this week, and probably this year. And I opened it on Instagram for you guys already, but let me open it here for you guys as well. This one came with a letter from the CEO of YouTube, Susan Wojcicki. And it's the 1 million subscriber gold play button. How awesome is this? This is so insane. I'm so happy with this. Like, I can't wait to hang it up. I actually don't know where to hang it up yet, but I'll find a place. All right, my coffee's ready. Can you smell that? Oh.
That smells pretty good.
It smells amazing. Do you want some, Justin? You're good.
You know I'm a tea drinker only.
You what?
You know I'm a tea drinker only.
Oh, you are.
That's me.
You just drink tea. That's right. I'm gonna close this. I am a clean freak. I don't like things to be out and about in my apartment. I like things to have their own place. So I usually put things back. All right, moving on to the living room. This is it, right next to the kitchen. This is a plant that I bought last week, or maybe like 10 days ago. I didn't have any plants here 10 days ago, so I bought this one, and I bought the little succulents in the bathroom. This is actually a money tree. I was duped. I thought money would actually come out of the trees, but there's nothing. I just spent money on the tree so far. But all jokes aside, like, it's actually really cool. I really like the aesthetic because it has this braid here. I have to keep this here for a little while longer, but then I can actually cut this off. It's a teenager right now. I like the rocks. I like the black. It just really fit with my aesthetic. It's nothing. It's clean. That's why I like it. And I don't have to water it that much, just once a week. Over here we have my 100,000 subscriber silver play button, which I was so happy when I got this. Even my name was different on my channel back then. I have I want to say a 50 or 55 inch Samsung that I bought like 5 years ago. I don't watch that much TV. Definitely don't sit here to watch TV that often. I have a Google Home, which I absolutely love and recommend if you don't have one. Hey Google, turn my lights red. It does everything. I have it connected to my whole apartment, so you can see that everything changes when I talk to Google and ask him to do stuff, or her, I guess, to do stuff. Hey Google, turn my lights off. So it turns my lights on and off, and I can pick if I want these lights here or my bedroom lights. I can pick in like their individual lights that are controlled separately, which is really cool. Over here, I bought this Tom Ford book because I thought it was really, really cool. It just goes really well on my table, plus the images inside are amazing. I keep my glasses here so I can read and do my work. I usually sit over here to do some work. This candle, I love candles. This one is from Melon Getz, and it's the leather scented candle, which is my favorite right now. It smells so good if you guys are looking for candles, if you're into that stuff. I bought this mirror here. By the way, I just want to say, Justin, as you guys can see Justin here, has been really nice and actually is shooting this video for free for me today. And it's a lot of work to shoot videos. So I think it's because it's against suicide, and he's just doing me this favor. So if you guys want to follow him, I'm going to leave his Instagram in the description below.
It's a good cause, it's a good charity, so please donate.
Exactly, and follow Justin. He does all my pictures, most of my 90% of my pictures on Instagram. He shoots. So
93% is the amount.
92. I'll give you 92.
Dark.
I bought this mirror a few weeks ago because I wanted to take basically selfies here and show some of my apartment as well. I think it looks cool on Instagram. Also because I didn't really have a full length mirror that I could see what I was wearing. My apartment's kind of dark. So yeah, decided to get something like that. This is the famous chair that I used to shoot on. I used to sit here and shoot my videos in my old apartment. Haven't done that in a while. Maybe I'll bring it back. What do you think?
Bring the chair back.
Yeah.
I've been asking you.
Yeah, maybe we can do something cool with this chair. This is my Ovation guitar. Unfortunately, it doesn't get much use nowadays, but I love it. I definitely have been playing Post Malone's new song "Stay." I really like to play that on guitar, so that's the one. That's the latest song that I learned. This is my lighting equipment, and that's my camera that I used to shoot most of my videos. I also use a monitor to see what I look like when I'm shooting, and that's it. That's my downstairs living room / living area / shooting area. Hope you guys liked it. Let's go upstairs. Alright, so this is the cool thing about Loft. The ceilings are super high, which I really like. It's a creative space, it makes me be creative. And then this upstairs here is my bedroom. I also got this little desk so I can get some work done, but to be honest with you guys, I work mostly downstairs. It's just more roomy down there. I just feel better down there. But I do get some work done here. Most of the furniture that you see, by the way, is from IKEA. This is from IKEA, this is from IKEA, this is from IKEA, that is from IKEA, so I don't really care to spend a lot of money on furniture. I think this isn't from IKEA. This is probably one of the only things that isn't from IKEA. This chair maybe is from a different website as well, but everything else from IKEA. This I showed you guys in my Get Ready With Me video not long ago, and you guys loved it. This is from the Container Store. I'm going to leave it linked below so you can put your shoes and your sneakers in there. I have too many and I needed a way to organize them, and this was the perfect way to do it. Even though I did that, I still have all these boxes that need to find a home. So I'm going to be getting rid of some sneakers soon because it's too many. I'm not going to show you my closet, all of it, but I'll give you a sneak peek of my closet, alright? More shoes. And yeah, those are my clothes back there. Cool. Maybe I'll do a closet tour at some point. One thing I don't like about this closet is that some of the shoes get stuck on the door, so I have to push them back here so that I can actually close the door. It just closes. Alright, over here, another candle. I have a fast charge, wireless charger thing for my phone, so I can just put my phone right there and it charges. And I have another Google Home right here. This one's perfect because I like to sleep to ocean sounds. Hey Google, play ocean sounds. I literally sleep to this. It's playing downstairs. Hey Google, play ocean sounds.
Here's the sound of the ocean.
Makes me wanna just go to sleep right now, to be honest with you.
This is normally how he sleeps. Coffee in hand.
Coffee in hand, slippers, all of it. Yeah, but I really like sleeping with the ocean sounds. It just I've trained my brain to whenever I listen to that sound, it's time to sleep. So it's been working out really well for me. I do ocean sounds or rain sounds, and it just does wonders for me. And this is the second bathroom. It's a very tiny bathroom, which it works, but I wish it was a little bit bigger. Has everything that I need. The only thing that sucks is this design flaw right here. Like I can't open this without going into the bathroom, closing the door, and then opening it. Everything besides that is fine. Does its job. I can go in there, get my business done, take my showers, and I'm good. So this is it. Like a small bedroom, nothing crazy, but very clean. And like I said, throughout the apartment, the design remains the same, which is clean, modern, uncluttered. For some reason, I can't concentrate. If there's a lot of things in front of me, I like start paying attention to other things, and I can't be. I just can't be productive, to be honest with you guys. I start paying attention to other things. I don't know if that's a problem that I have, or if it's just something that people, should start doing, just being more minimalistic. But when I sit there, I don't want to be seeing all these things around me. I just want to focus on what I'm doing. So it really helps me be more productive when it's decluttered, and that's why I did it. Now, the play buttons. I don't know where to put them. It could be here, it could be there. I could put them here because there's nothing on this wall. Like right here, I think would look good, or even right there, I think would look pretty cool. I really wanted to put them here, but this is where I shoot my videos. So it would be like right behind my head.
Don't make me rotoscope those out. Please don't make me rotoscope those out.
Justin wouldn't like me for that because then he edits, yeah, it just wouldn't work out. Oh, these tools, by the way, were super cheap online. And they look really good, and they're actually really comfortable. I work here most of the time, so I have a laptop here, laptop upstairs. I mostly use the one upstairs, but yeah, I love to work down here. It's really nice. And that's it. You guys can't smell it, but my apartment does smell good because of all the candles and because of this right here. So, just so you guys know, all right? I'm clean. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And then of course, please donate to suicide prevention. I'm gonna leave all of that listed below. Like I said, I already made a donation. Justin's already helping us out. So please help us out as well. I think it's super important that we talk about it and that we do something about it now that we have this huge community. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon when I buy like a mansion or something. I think that'd be cool. Maybe someday. Peace.